What's up mga ka-beauties? Welcome to today's video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Leigh OnStyle. So for today's video, it's all about nails. So this Nail Addict LA sent me their gel polishes that I can try, which is I got really excited because I love doing my nails and I love to do nails. I love designing nails because that's my kind of hobby and passion as well. So since 2007, I started doing acrylic. Not myself, I go to a salon just to have my acrylic done. Sometimes I do gel, extension, everything. Na-try ko na lahat. So, and then, because I'm really obsessed doing nails, inaral ko siya. So, I start 2010 doing nails. So, ginawa ko siyang sideline. Kaya nga ginagawa ko yun sa tabi kasi side, charot. So, ginawa ko yun as extra income dahil nga hobby ko na rin. So, in the same time, nai-enjoy ko at kumikita rin ako. So, na-stop lang yan because, you know, we move and then medyo naging busy ako kasi nagkaroon na rin ako ng regular job. So, medyo na-stop ko siya. And of course, pandemic nowadays, I cannot go back. So, this time, I want to show you how I do it mine in the simplest way para naman magkaroon kayo ng idea how to do it yourself. Sa mga ladies or mommies na kagaya ko na mahilig mag-nails, you really like to do a manicure, pedicure, kasi sa paa pwede rin naman. And gel polish is really good kasi it lasts. Kung hindi nyo siya tatanggalin, maglalast talaga siya. Not unless hindi maganda yung pagpa-prep nyo ng nails. Doon lang siguro yung time na mapipild siya. But gel nails is very nice kasi it lasts on your nails for a long time. Ayan. So, ngayon kasi puro mga gels na eh. Bibihira na yung gumagamit ng regular polish. Kasi, but you know, regular polish is cheaper. But, I mean, price-wise, you buy this gel polish, but it can last you for 48 years. Charot. Exaggerated na yun. Anyway, so this Nail Addict LA sent me their gel polishes. I want to show it to you. So this is the box that they sent me, and they sent me like 4 colors of gel polish that I can try, and then including the base coat and the top coat. So this gel polish is vegan and cruelty-free. So maganda talaga siya, and ang ganda niyang gamitin, guys. Very smooth and it easily glide when you apply it on your nails. So that's why I achieve these pretty nails. So I do it myself. I design it. I already have my extension put on my nails. I have this the Apres gel extension, and then I just did the polish and the design. So the design is GC because it's the sunflower decal stickers that I use, so you don't have to paint it. So I will show you how I did my nails using this Nail Addict gel polish. Let's watch this. Okay, let's start. So this is my bare nails. So first we're gonna use the gel base coat. So this is the Nail Addict base gel coat. And then we can cure it for 30 seconds in our LED lamp. Next, I'm gonna use this Cashmere color. This one. Okay, so now that I cure it, let's do the second coat. So there you go, guys. I cured it for 30 seconds. So now let's use this color, which is the Bronze Me Baby. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna use this for these 2 nails. Okay guys, so here you go. I already painted all my nails. So just to give you a little bit design, I'm gonna be using this water decal sunflower. So we can make a little design out of this. So this is our nails. It's very pretty. That's my sunflower nail design. So now we're gonna use the Nail Addict top coat, the no wipe top. Yeah, this is really nice because there's gonna be no residue. Once you put it in the LED lamp, you don't have to worry about the residue. It's already non-wipe. So here you go guys, tapos na ang ating creation using the Nail Addict gel polish. So for the final touch, I'll just gonna use a cuticle oil. So this is the oil. I'll just gonna put this all over the side of my nails to prevent dryness. Ayan. So just massage it a little bit. So there you have it guys. I hope you like it. So there you go guys. So that's how I did my sunflower nail design. This ones, I hope that you like what I did. In a simple way, you can just do a nail polish without a design. You know, other ladies is very simple. They just want, you know, their nails to look nice. They don't need design or anything. I'm just being creative myself because I do nails. So once in a while, pag medyo inatake ako ng boredom, yan. So, nagde-design talaga ako ng nails. Sometimes, I just don't do it on my nails. I just practice designing nails. So, in a way, nadi-distress din kayo because you have something to do. Pwede nyo gawin yan sa mga pamangkin, mga tita, mother, mommy, mga ganyan. So yan, so I hope na may natutunan kayo. And if you want me to do more nail design like I did, just comment down below. So for the Nail Addict LA, thank you so much for sending me these gel polishes that I really love and enjoy trying myself. And thank you for trusting me to review your product. I will put their link on my description box so you can check them out if you want to avail their product. And para sa inyong mga nail lovers, you can always use Leigh on their official website so you can get 45% off when you avail the Nail Addict LA gel polishes. Ayan! So, bonggang-bonggang discount yan. So, what are you waiting for, ladies? You need to try this gel polish. This is really good. So, ayan. So, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. And if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And kindly hit the notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!